In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply and remove bold formatting in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're drafting an essay, creating a report, or simply designing an exciting flyer, being able to emphasize certain words or phrases can make your text more engaging and easier to read. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open LibreOffice Writer. Locate the LibreOffice icon on your computer and double-click on it. Once you're in the Start Center, you'll see an option for Writer Document. Click on that, and you'll be taken straight into the LibreOffice Writer environment where all the magic happens. Now that we have LibreOffice Writer open, let's move on to working with your text. Start by typing something, anything you'd like. For instance, you could go with a simple phrase like, "Hello world." Once you have your text, you'll need to select the portion you want to bold. To do that, simply click at the start of the word and drag your mouse across the letters you want to highlight. This action will ensure that any formatting changes you apply will only affect the selected text. With your text highlighted, it's time to make it stand out by applying bold formatting. There are 3 straightforward methods to achieve this, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. The first method involves using the toolbar. Look towards the top of your LibreOffice window. You'll see a series of icons, one of which is a bold B. Simply click this button, and voila, your text will instantly turn bold, offering that extra emphasis you're looking for. The second method is to use the menu. Navigate to the top menu bar, click on Format, then hover over Text, and you'll see the bold option. A quick click is all it takes, and your selected text goes bold. This method is particularly useful if you prefer navigating through menus rather than icons. For those who are fans of keyboard shortcuts, there's a quicker way. If you're on Windows or Linux, just press Ctrl and B simultaneously. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut changes slightly to Command and B. With this method, you can toggle bold formatting on or off with ease, making text styling an efficient part of your workflow. Finally, let's talk about removing bold formatting, just in case you change your mind or need to modify your formatting. It's just as simple as applying it. Select your bold text again, and you have a couple of options to turn off the bold effect. You can click the same B button on the toolbar. This is a toggle function, so clicking it again removes the bold formatting. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus B one more time on Windows or Linux, or Command plus B on a Mac. Your text will revert to its normal weight instantly, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily apply and remove bold formatting in LibreOffice Writer, giving your documents that professional touch. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you to work more efficiently in LibreOffice.